This Aerospace part has 12 operations done right off of this machine. It's equipped with live tooling, twin spindle, twin turrets. It's also equipped with an automatic bar loader, and it comes with an experienced operator. Production runs vary from 1,000 pieces up to 1 million pieces. In expectations of a production run, we will work with customers to do prototypes. This particular part is a shaft for a motor. We run this part complete out of 3/4 inch round aluminum. It's done in one operation off our Swiss machines. This part is produced on a Tsugami CNC Swiss lathe. This is a 1/4 inch diameter that's 3 inches long. It's 12 times the diameter. If you were to do this in a conventional fixed headstock lathe, when your tool comes in, it will deflect the part. It sticks out way too long. The deflection will cause you to have a bad finish, and your tolerance will be all over the place. This is a firearm part that goes into a shotgun. It's called a buffer tube, made of aluminum. It's made off of our fixed headstock machine. This is a pretty heavy part right here. This is about a 7 to 10 pound part. It's made for a heavy equipment manufacturer. We make this part out of stress-proof steel. This particular part, this is a motor shaft, and it required an 8/10 tolerance on this diameter right here, and a 63 micro finish. This part is done in one operation. Our fixed headstock machines have twin spindles and twin turrets and can produce parts, transfer parts, perform back working operations, live tooling, and can complete parts as well as our Swiss machines. We also make parts that are not always long and slender. This aluminum part is done on a fixed headstock machine. If you have piece parts that are made like this with different features, we are happy to help you. So as you can see, this is not a long, slender part because it's not a Swiss part. This was a very challenging part that has 12 separate operations that are performed. We start with a round bar, and by the time we finish, there is nothing round about this part. If this part was a casting, it would cost you a lot of money in tooling cost. We can produce it here at a fraction of the cost. On the shop floor, we have the right guys with the right machine. We want to be your source for precision machine parts.